In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to manage client work. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use board built from a proven template, so you can track client requests, progress, and deliverables with confidence. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is your home base for everything you're managing. If you've never created a board before, don't worry. Trello makes it simple, and using a template will save you a lot of setup time. At the top of the page, click Create. This is where you'll spin up a new board. Instead of building from scratch, choose Start with a template. Templates are pre-configured boards with lists, example cards, and helpful structure that reflect common workflows, which is perfect for client management. Next, select Explore Templates to open the full gallery. You'll see categories and popular setups from the Trello community. Exploring a bit is useful because it shows how different teams structure their work, and it can spark ideas for how you want to organize your own process. In the search bar, type Client Workflow Management. This template is designed to handle the life cycle of client work, from intake to delivery, so you don't have to guess at what lists to create or how to organize tasks. It's a solid starting point whether you're a solo freelancer or part of a team. Open the template and click Use Template. This copies it into your Trello account so you can make it your own without altering the original. Trello will ask you to customize a few details before it's created. Give your board a clear descriptive title. A helpful convention is something like client workflow, agency name, or client ops, Q1. Using consistent naming makes boards easier to find later and avoids mixing up client projects. Choose the correct workspace for the board. This determines who can access it and where it lives in your organization. If you collaborate with a team, make sure it's in the shared workspace where teammates already work. If this is a personal setup, keep it in your private workspace. Finally, click Create. Trello will generate your board with lists and example cards ready to adapt to your process. From here, you can review the layout, familiarize yourself with the stages, and think about how your current client process maps onto each list. As you move forward, consider establishing naming conventions for cards, consistent due date practices, and clear labeling so everyone understands priorities at a glance. That's it. You've set up a client workflow board in Trello using a template, giving you a strong foundation to manage client work efficiently.